TCS, Infosys, HCL and Wipro. Everybody is now started to recruit new candidates. Previously, before 6 months, they have stopped the recruitment due to this pandemic. Now they are recruiting new fresher candidate for the lateral hire and other position also. So in this video, I will tell you more about that. Stay tuned to the end. Now the first company is TCS. TCS want 2000 more candidate for placement in the US branch, while 40,000 fresh candidate for the Indian branch. Now it is a great opportunity for you guys to apply for this, and it will be a lateral hire or it will be a campus placement. So TCS will come to your college campus or off campus, and there they will recruit. So be prepared for that. As my previous video in my playlist job update 2020, you have seen that I have provided many job opportunity, many job update in my playlist section. You can stay there, you can check out more videos. Now I will tell you that how to apply all these job like TCS, Infosys, HCL, Wipro. I will tell you how to apply. If anything missed, I will update you in the next video. So you need to check out the channel, you need to subscribe to this channel to get more information like that. So remember, 40,000 for India branch, 20,000 for US branch, and all this will be fresher candidate and for lateral hire on campus and off campus. Now coming to the second part, according to the Infosys branch, UB Praveen Rao is the main chief while recruiting with the condition. Now they have already hired 4,000 fresher candidate. Now they are also doing on campus and off campus, and they require 18,000 more candidate for the year 2020. Remember, this will be a lateral hire, means that placement they have done, they may done on the month of March, April, they have shifted, they have freezed that due to this pandemic. Now they are open. Now they will recruit more candidate for the year 2020. Be prepared, stay updated and apply for the job. Now, Pratik Agrawal, CFO of HCL Technology, said that they have hired 2,000 lateral and they recruit 1,000 fresher candidate for the Q1 and continue to hire in the year 2020. Now, this will be a great opportunity for the background for the company of HCL. You need to stay updated, you need to keep update yourself, you need to be skillful enough, and you need to check out my channel. I will give you the detail how to apply for all this. Now HCL is over. Now the last part is Wipro. Wipro is recruiting more candidate for the year 2020. According to Saurav Govil, Group CHRO of Wipro Ltd has onboarded over 7,000 lateral hire for the quarter that ended in the June 2020. As you know, in this pandemic time, only the one industry, the IT industry, software industry is growing day by day. Now every company is hiring fresher candidate and they train the fresher candidate to go that. Now in here also, Wipro has not announced any number for this upcoming placement, but for the Q2 they will hire some candidate, like I guess it's 1,000 to 2,000 candidate for Q2. Now you need to prepare there also. You can apply that. It will be based on the off campus. No campus needed, off campus, because they have already candidate hire is done from online on campus. So now it will be from off campus background. So stay tuned. If you like this kind of video, you can check out my other videos on my playlist YouTube channel also. So right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.